The TaoTronics TT-BA07 is a 2-in-1 Bluetooth receiver and transmitter that can give Bluetooth functionality to any media device with a 3.5mm jack. This video will show you how to use the TaoTronics TT-BA07. Transmitter TX mode. Set the TT-BA07 to TX mode. Place your Bluetooth headphones within a 3 feet or 1 meter range and set it to pairing mode. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds on the TT-BA07 to pair the devices together. The LED will flash blue and red and then turn solid blue when paired. The package includes a user guide, a 3.5mm audio cable, a USB charging cable, and a 3.5mm female to 2 RCA male cable. Transmitter mode lets you wirelessly stream audio from a TV, pairing with 2 devices in TX mode. After successfully pairing with the first speaker, you can add a second speaker. First, turn off the previous speaker. Put the TT-BA07 on standby mode, as indicated by the flashing LED. Turn on the second speaker. The flashing blue light indicates it is in pairing mode. Double-click the TT-BA07. The LED will alternate between blue and red. This indicates it is pairing. Once successfully paired, the LED will be solid blue. Turn on the first speaker and it will automatically connect. Both speakers are now paired. Pairing in receiver mode. Set the TT-BA07 to RX mode and press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. The LED will flash blue and red. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Scan for nearby Bluetooth devices and click on TaoTronics TT-BA07. When successfully paired, the LED will turn blue. Connect the TT-BA07 to your wired headphones to give it Bluetooth. Still have questions?